Stephanie Amon from Social Science Department.
Wilhelm Andrew Bitaw, Higher School ng UMAC.
I'm Engineer Gerby Castro and I'm with the General Services Office.
I am Paolo Cleto from the High School ng UMAC.
I am Professor June Dorsey Daxa I. I'm from College of Innovative Teacher Education.
Hi, I am Ramson De Leos from the Higher School ng UMAC.
I'm Maureen G. Del Rosario from the Higher School ng UMAC.
I am Mr. Raymond C. De La Vega from Higher School ng UMAC.
Ako po si Daniel P. Deliosa mula sa College of Computing and Information Sciences.
I am Anne-France Idel Yoba from HSU Department.
Ako si Ariel Domingo from Higher School ng UMAC.
I'm Igor Ducay. I'm from HSU Hope Department.
My name is Christine May F. Duenas from HRMO.
Attorney Duca from the School of Law.
I am Simi S. Duque. I'm from the Higher School ng UMAC.
This is Mary Jane Lofamia Torres, and I'm from the Institute of Accountancy.
I am Aaron Danao Faldequela from Higher School ng UMAC.
Ako nga pala si Aaron F. Ahil from Higher School ng UMAC.
Hi, ako si Krisha Faluga ng Budget and Internal Audit Office.
Ako po si Jobinad Gonzales, pangkasalukuyang nagsisilbi sa University Facilities Management Office or also known as UPMO.
Hi, I'm Ara Rose Relingado Bernal. I'm from Higher School ng UMAC.
I'm Erwin Higuera, professor from the College of Computing and Information Sciences.
Good day, I'm Maria Teresa Ecaya from the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management.
Yes, my name is Sharikat Lakap from the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management.
Nomar B. Maestro from CCIS.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Kia May Di Marvida from Higher School ng UMAC.
I am Robert Pino Gales from Higher School ng UMAC.
Hi, I am Herminia Nolias Columna from Higher School ng UMAC.
I am Mr. Olivar from the College of Business and Financial Science.
Mika S. Orang, now I'm Bangbang.
Hello, I am Joshua Rafael Ordonez, a faculty member from College of Human Kinetics.
I am Mr. Melvin Peñafiel Jr. and I'm from the Higher School ng UMAC.
I'm Dr. Ferdinand Piano from College of Business and Financial Science.
Hi, I'm Katricia Faye Pingol. I used to be an HSU faculty, but currently I'm working under the Office of the University President.
I'm Rodney C. Ramirez from HSU.
Annalyn Plana Reyes from the College of Governance and Public Policy.
I'm Nina Rodora Anzures Reyes.
Hello, my name is Mark Lester T. Rudas, but I prefer to be called by my students Teacher Marky. I'm from HSU.
Ako po si Jonaline Fernandez Seroy, as Administrative Officer 2 sa College of Arts and Letters.
I'm Virgilio Soriano III of the Higher School ng UMAC.
Rene Carbonel Tabajen, College of Continuing Advanced and Professional Studies.
Ako po si Robert Tagalogon Jr., Science sa TSU.
Alright, I'm Dana Valdez from the Higher School ng UMAC.
Riza Christine Mina Valenciano, Higher School ng UMAC.
Hi, I'm Rose. I'm from Supply and Property Management Office.
I'm Ryan C. Villanueva. I am the Director for the Center for Guidance and Counseling Services.
I think that's awesome.
Masaya, malungkot, pero memorable.
Fortunately, maganda, masaya.
For the past 5 years, UMAC opens opportunities for me to grow professionally and socially. Thank you. I love UMAC.
Maraming suporta mula sa pamunuan ng University of Makati, mga kasamaan sa trabaho, kaibigan sa trabaho, at lalong-lalo na yung mga estudyante natin na nagpupursige na matapos yung kanilang maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap.
I can say that I am very happy because I met a lot of people and surely I will cherish all those memories.
I enjoy teaching here in UMAC.
My 5 years of stay here at the University of Makati always feels like yesterday because I am honored and grateful with the opportunities and chances that was given to me.
Nais ko lang pasalamatan ang Universidad ng Makati sa pagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa akin na makapagsilbi ng 5 taon at magamit ang aking kakayahan sa pagtuturo.
Ang 5 taon sa University of Makati ay isang malaking pribilehiyo at natutuwa ako, naging parte ako ng pamilyang ito.
Since first job ko siya, pagkatapos ko mag-graduate, growth siya sa akin kasi madami ako natutunan.
Well, it's been a good experience. I would say beyond any reasonable doubt that I am enjoying my life in UMAC.
I feel that I'm consistently growing personally and professionally, and I really love UMAC. I really feel that this is my home. My 5 years in the University of Makati really helped me develop my professional growth.
Napakasaya, syempre. Talagang sobrang saya.
Isang kagalakan at pagpapala na maging bahagi ng universidad na ito.
Sa loob ng 5 taon ay napaka-circus ng buhay sa UMAC. It's been fun and exciting.
Naging maganda naman, although maraming mga naging pagsubok, pero sa tulong ng mga ibang kapwa ko kawani sa University of Makati, ito ay maayos kong natugunan o maayos kong nagawa.
I can say that it's quite challenging yet fruitful experience.
I'm grateful, happy and proud to be part of this university.
My entire journey is a learning experience.
It's been an incredibly rewarding journey.
Challenging.
Super happy. Every year is a challenge, pero talaga nga namang kayang-kaya. Nakakabata sa UMAC.
5 years, actually, it has been like a roller coaster ride.
Masaya and also fulfilling kasi sa 5 taon na yon nakita ko yung progress ko as an employee.
UMAC has never been easy. However, I'm just grateful sa mga taong they have pushed me on top.
5 years was quite too long for me, but it was a great door of opportunity.
Those 5 years are one of the best years of my life.
For 5 years, and what I could say is that it was all worth it.
It felt like it's more than 10 years already, because of all the things that I've experienced with the university.
The last 5 years in UMAC, it has always been and will always be an answered prayer.
I'm feeling happy and grateful.
Masaya akong natanggap ako na empleyado dito sa University of Makati. Kahit medyo mahirap, pero masayang-masaya at mahal na mahal ko itong trabahong to.
It is a pleasant surprise because the people are always pleasant.
Well, it has been a smooth sailing ride.
Masasabi ko, nagkaroon ako ng kalpamilya sa college na pinag-servan.
I'm so grateful and will always be grateful serving the university. Masaya, ang daming bago, ang daming opportunities na naibigay.
Masaya naman po ako sa UMAC.
I'm very happy sa family na nabuo ko here in HSC.
University of Makati for the past 5 years has been my second home.
Masasabi ko sa 5 years ko sa UMAC is masaya. Masaya dahil nag-e-enjoy ako sa trabaho ko. Masaya dahil sa pamumuno nila. Masaya sa mga natatanggap na benepisyo. At masaya dahil marami akong natututunan. Happy 5 years!
There is plenty of opportunities for everybody. There are available and plenty of resources for the entire community. And that makes me become more giving, more generous, more grateful. And I learned to celebrate people.